Okay, there we go. I don't know how much of that. Why do I always have to do this shit at night when it's gonna make a load of noise? Right. I'm sitting in front of my laptop with a hammer and I have no idea what the fuck to do. Although, this looks like a really, really old RAM card. Oh, wait, no, this can't be the RAM card because it's got wires coming off it. RAM cards don't have wires, right? You're coming out. I'm just gonna snap you, basically. Oh, wait, no, that's how it's supposed to come out anyway. Oh, wait, no, because I bent that. And I've done something to that. Oh, shit, this isn't going good. Oh, that's, the that's... I just realized I've scratched the inside of the floppy disk drive. That's how old this is. It has a floppy disk drive. Okay, so made in Taiwan. Right. That was pathetic. I have to do this really lightly because it's almost 8 o'clock. Oh wait, no, it's almost 8 o'clock. Who the fuck is asleep at almost 8 o'clock? Okay, I might be scaring my dog. Oh, I know what I can do. If I yes, right now if I can get that under there. It's like Thompson or something. Yes, and then like the flat one is like a Thompson or something. Oh shit! It's coming though. It's coming though. I'm basically tearing the shit out of this thing. Figuratively. Okay. I may have also broken whatever's inside it. I just need to break its. There we go. Oh. That smells very bad. Ugh. I hope I don't get cancer from this. Alright, Levi, calm the fuck down. They're just fireworks and hammers and dead laptops. Oh, you smell. Get down. Matt Damon, yes. Matt Damon. Yeah. Ah, fuck. I shouldn't have done that. That was stupid. Why did I do that? Wait. Flavor for fucking Febreze. You're not gonna drink it. That really hurts. Ow. Right, Levi, you were in my way so fucking badly. Like, I get it. You're terrified of loud things, but yeah, you're a little bitch. When I Mein Kampf, did I mention Mein Kampf? I simply remember my favorite things and then I don't feel so bad. Delicious. This isn't as fun as it looks. It's all I want. All I want out of this life is my 30 GB hard drive. No, you are not fucking coming up here, you little shit. Get down. Go on. Fuck off. No. This place is not for you. No. Oh. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna come back to this tomorrow. Let's go on Age of Empires. No, because I wasn't going lights, camera, action. I was just going camera. Now, I need to hold it on this end. And then I need to basically do this. That worked pretty well. Right, now what did I break? Yes! I found the RAM! Ha 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 ha. Right, now, how do I get it out? Right, you know how we're on, like, at least maximum DDR5 now? Is it bad that this just says 256 megabytes DDR? I think this must be DDR1. Oh fuck, I just pushed it back in. Alright. Nice. However, I'm going through all this effort just for a 30 GB hard drive. Yeah, I might. That's what a disk drive looks like. And that is a snap piece of thing. What I could do is, if I beat the shit around it... It's doing anything. I just need to drive a wedge. Just drive a wedge. Without breaking the hard drive, even though I know full well this is gonna... Yep, I've already dented the hard drive again. Drive that through. I think I just hit the touchpad. I'm touching the touchpad from the side you're not supposed to touch the touchpad from. With a screwdriver. There. How? What am I doing with my life? And that's my pube and not the previous owner's. Oh god, I hope that's my pube.